Alright, what's up guys? This is Blake with Finecraft Woodworks and I'm bringing you another knife unboxing video. So I got my Gapco Snow Mako here, so I'm going to go ahead and open this guy. I'm going to remove it from the shot just because I don't want to get the address in here that I bought this knife from. Just trying to be considerate here. But I think you guys are going to really like what I got here today. And he boxed this really well. Man, there's a lot of tape. Alright, so you can see in here, we have not one, but two packages. So yes, there are two knives today. Very excited. Now I will tell you, they're both customs, okay? I don't know which one's which, so let's start with the smaller package first. And kind of go from there. Just want to make sure the video's still rolling. Let me just adjust this just a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Now guys, whenever you get a new knife, make sure you don't accidentally cut the knife in here or the pouch it comes with or anything. So I like to take it easy the best I can. Alrighty, so I think I know which one this is. This is an aftermarket pouch. Yeah, so perfect. Alright, so this is the piece here. This is a JRB Gator. And it looks really nice. Let's try the action on this thing. Okay, light detent. Oh, very nice. That is actually very cool. Very smooth. Let's see how the lockup is. Lockup's good, no complaints there. Probably about 20% lockup, so a little on the lighter side, but not bad at all. It's very smooth action. I do like that. I wish the detent was a little heavier. Partly it's easy to get the knife to not fire all the way. But I do like this knife. Titanium. This is supposedly Magna cut, which is really cool. There's a deep carry pocket clip, so that's nice. That'll be easy in the pockets and nice and secure. And yeah, no, this is a cool little piece. What I like about this maker, so again, JRB blades, that's the maker. This is the Gator model. This maker is a relatively new maker in the knife world. And because of that, these knives are really cheap for a custom. Okay, so this is a complete custom knife here. I can get a little closer to the camera just so you guys can see. So yeah, to get this, or to get this type of knife, it's like $300 to $400, which for a custom knife, that is unheard of. Normally customs cost you about double. Just to give you context, this is a Gapco. This is like an $1,100 knife. So yeah, we have blue anodized hardware. Tell you the truth, I'm not sure what those little screws are for. Oh, it's probably a stop pin. I got you. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, this is very nice. Good action. This will be a fun blade just to play with. No lockup issues. Yeah, no, this is sweet. This is definitely a keeper. Little wear in the blade, but this is definitely a user knife. This knife I'm going to use every day. Not care if you get it beat up. Again, Magna cut steel. That is a really good steel. So you can no complaints. So yeah, solid. Yeah, so the titanium, it does look like a, trying to, like, definitely acid etched stone washed. So what I was wanting to say, and I think it's the same with the blade too. I don't think it's sandblasted, it's still very smooth. So yeah, stone washed and then acid etch. Great finish, no complaint. But yeah, so if you guys get a chance, check out JRB blades. So, time for the second package. And I am really excited for this one. I was excited for both, to tell you the truth. I feel like it's only appropriate that I use the new knife to open it. There's a good edge on here too. Whoa, this is sharp. Holy cow. Look at that. Woo, she's sharp. I don't know if this is factory edge or the guy I traded it from, he's really into sharpening knives, so he might have done that as well. Okay, I'm digging the case. So, this is Uncovsky. This is a maker in the Czech Republic, which is kind of cool, actually. I feel like you can't say that for many things. All right, let's get the tape off here. I actually don't want to use a knife here because I don't want to scratch the tin. Bear with me, guys, I'm getting there. Okay. Ooh. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Okay, so put this to the side. So this is the Uncovsky. If you want the name of the specific model, I have no idea. Okay, blade centering is like dead perfect. Okay. This is like a front flipper. I don't have a ton of experience with these, so I'll have to take a little practice. Very nice satin finish on there. Man, that's gorgeous. Let's see, how do I do this? Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah, it's definitely front flipper. I'll have to, okay, I've never owned a designated front flipper before, not really. So this will take a little bit of practice. I'm trying to decide if I like it or not. There we go, that's how you do it. So if your hand's too far up when you open, it'll like, your finger will stop it there. So hold it a little further down. That's how you do it. Yeah, oh, this is nice. I'm sure some of you guys are cringing who's owned a front flipper before. It's being just completely honest and truthful with you guys. Never had one before. It is a really nice satin finish. Here, let me get a cloth and wipe the fingerprints off. You know, bear with me, I have oily fingers. Oh, that's a nice satin. Wait, come on, focus. Look at that beauty. Woo! See, lockup's good, about 50%. No lock slip. Also, don't go spine whacking your knife, guys. Knives are not meant for that. No major complaints with the clip. Let me see if there's any like authenticity certificate in the box. There is not, unfortunately. That's okay, that's just how it goes sometimes. Okay, I'm trying to remember what blade steel it is. I know I asked. I think it's RWL34, so that's similar to CPM 154. It's a fine steel. Like that's nothing to write home about, but it's not bad by any means either. It'll get the job done and you'll be fine. Yeah, I actually dig this. And it's cool because I don't, okay, you can do Spidey flick as well. I don't have a knife that's deployed this way, so this is truly something unique and different that is in my collection, you know. I mean, with this guy, and again, well, I like this too, actually. I think this is fairly, it's not unique, I just don't have a solid, just plain Jane titanium blade or knife like this, and now I do. And this guy, again, we have the titanium, but then we have the anodized, that's probably still titanium too, it should be, hope so. And then, honestly, with most custom knives, everything's usually titanium. I don't know what that clip is. In fact, I'm thinking it might not be titanium since it's so shiny and polished like that. I don't know. And then this definitely has a sandblasted feel to it. So sandblasted, and then since it's darker, I'm guessing it's acid etched. This is nice, guys. If you need to go get one of these and try it out. And then I was talking to the guy I traded it from. He was saying he actually tightened the pivot on this because before he thought it was too loose and was worried he was going to cut himself. Right now, as it is, the Gator's a little better in the drop shits. But this action is definitely not bad by any means, and I think I'll actually probably play around with it and see if I can loosen that pivot a little bit. Because I personally wouldn't mind having it even looser, but that's just me. No, I can't get it that way. No, I messed that one up. I know. I'm still learning how to do a front flipper. But anyway, so that is my knife haul for today. I'm very excited. Actually, I have another really cool piece coming here in a few days. Here, I'll pull a Gavco out just to show you guys. But have a good one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.